Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the perfect puzzle night gossip quest in Hearttopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a gossip quest from Annie. So if you want to get the quest, you can go to Annie. And for your information, I unlocked this quest after I reach level 39 in my DG member level. After I reach level 39, I can take the quest from here. The gossip quest is called a perfect puzzle night. Okay, I'm going to take the quest and I'm going to show you how we can complete it. I'm going to click on leave it to me. Okay, and it says give any threats that can distract a cat. Okay, you can talk again to Annie like this. And oh, we need to give meat to Annie, and we need to give 10 meats. You can get the meats from Massimo, guys. You can purchase the meats from the Massimo's cooking store. Okay, I'm going to submit it. And I got this energy fish jerky as the reward from completing this gossip quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the perfect puzzle night gossip quest in Hearttopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!